And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about TikTok and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And then here if you find updates you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.